FJ Company Toyota Land Cruiser Drivers Notes, the king of cool. The high-end restomod community has been building in recent years. Companies like Sanger Vehicle Design, Econ and Gunther Werks are building extremely high-end vehicles with price tags soaring well into the six-figure range. The FJ Company, as the name would suggest, builds some very polished and lightly modified versions of the original Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. Prices vary depending on model and options, but we managed to get a few days behind the wheel of the new range topper, the signature model. This variant is based on the long wheelbase FJ43 and starts at $200,000 before adding any options. There's a shorter wheelbase FJ40 available. Yes, that sounds like an absurd amount for a nearly 40-year-old Toyota, but a lot of time and effort goes into building these FJs. Look past the iconic sheet metal and you will find heated Recaro leather seats, heating and air conditioning, a backup camera, and an Apple iPad in the center console to control the radio. There are LED headlights and fog lights and a custom instrument cluster that adds digital displays into the classic housing. Mechanical upgrades are significant. Unlike other models from the FJ Company, the signature version ditches the old Toyota inline-6 for a modern engine and transmission. Power comes from a Toyota 1GR 4.0-liter V6 that can be found in various years of the 4Runner, Tacoma and Tundra. It's paired with a 5-speed manual. Four-wheel drive is standard, but you have to manually lock the hubs. Options on the model include the $2,000 roll cage, $3,500 ARB air lockers, a $3,500 worn 8,274 winch and bumper, $500 flip windows, a $700 leather-wrapped steering wheel, a $400 jerry can and a $250 high-lift jack. Editor-in-Chief Greg Migliori, on a chill gray morning, I step into the not-so-distant past where a 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser awaits me. Clad in khaki straight out of British Army regulations and restored to impeccable condition, the Land Cruiser looks ready to conquer much more than suburbia. This one is much more than a well-executed rebuild. Rather, it's the creation of the FJ Company, and our tester is the $200,000 signature model. It has everything from a modern powertrain, 240 horsepower 6, to luxury gear, Recaro seats, to the cool details, like aluminum control knobs. It's gorgeous, retro and plenty capable off-road.